El presente progresivo. So this is like to be plus a present participle. That's the ing ending in English. The ing ending for a verb. And this is to emphasize. And that's key because actually you could rewrite what they're saying here with just the regular present tense. ¿Qué estamos haciendo aquí afuera? You could also say ¿qué hacemos aquí afuera? It's no problem. Estoy esperando al trompetista de la orquesta. Espero al trompetista de la orquesta. Okay, these would also translate as the ing form in English, but in Spanish it's there's some overlap with this tense because they both can mean that something is occurring at this moment. And the hallmarks of this tense is that you will have generally estar plus an ando ending or yendo ending, or it might be something like this with a y, yendo. Okay. So your book doesn't tell you, but actually you could use it with a couple of other verbs. It's common with a couple of other verbs. Less common than with estar, but you'll see them used with other verbs, or you'll see them used alone. But when it's alone, if you see something like, let's see, durmiendo, if you see it on its own, durmiendo, it could mean something like this, by sleeping. Okay, so not only does it mean ing, but it could also mean by, and then whatever verb we're talking about. Okay, the regular way to form these is really very simple. You take off the AR from an AR verb and put ando. And then for ER verbs, you take off ER, put yendo like this. And for IR verbs, you take off IR and put yendo like that. The irregular forms are irregular only in IR. So there are plenty of regular IR forms, but if a verb is going to be irregular in this form, it's only in IR. And the stem changes will be as follows: E to I and O to U. Okay, so all of these, you see that they follow this pattern. For some of these, you'll have to figure out which vowel it is, okay? But it's gonna be the one that's closer to the ending, the yendo ending. So here we have two E's. This one is closer to the ending, and we verify there, yes. Over here too, this one that's closer to the yendo ending is gonna have the change. So these two change to U, okay? And, oh, I'm sorry, so the IR verbs, they have a stem change. They're the only ones that have a stem change. And then there are a few ER verbs, creer, leer, and also, well, these two have Y in the middle. Okay? And there are a few other irregular forms, but that's all we'll do for right now.